Good day, folks! Welcome to the video for the guide to using the Shimadzu IR solution software for the Fourier transform infrared FTIR machine. So on your computer desktop, please do a double click on the icon IR solution. And the window pops up, and the first thing you should do is go to the top tabs, measurement, and under the first one, you see initialize, or it says here reinitialize. So if you're the first user of the day, you have to start the initiation. Once it's ready, you place your cursor at the command part and you can key in your sample title. Here in this video, we're just going to name our sample test sample. You can also select the directory of the data file that you can save under. If it's all good, you click on the icon BKG, which stands for background scan. At this point of time, make sure that inside the machine, you do not have any sample because you are just going to do a background scan of the air. So now your background chart pops up. Next, you should make sure that the number of scans stands at 16, scan range 400 to 4000 wave number, and the scan mode must be in terms of percentage transmittance. All these are very vital to our scan. So now you put in your sample in the FTIR machine. Then you click measure, and this window pops up, and you click sample. On the bottom left hand corner, you can see that the machine is processing a data scan. Number of scans is ready, so just gonna wait a while for the whole chart to pop up. And now when it says ready, that means right, your sample has been fully scanned, and you can start doing data processing. We are going to do pick picking for a start. You go to the top row of tabs, click on manipulation 1, scroll down to pick table, and left click. Now on the right column, you see the parameters for noise. You can leave it at 0.1 threshold, 30.0 minimum area, can adjust it to 0.5. All these you can just play around with it depending on how sensitive your peak picking is going to be. After you're satisfied, go down to the little bit of bottom and click this icon, calc, stands for calculations. See that in your chart right now is a little bit congested. There's just too many peaks that appears and you don't want it to be shown. What you're gonna do? So you look at my cursor on the right hand side, this is manual peak, and then when you click onto the drop down box, you can just choose the one that you do not want and delete. So once you're happy with the number of peaks that you have, you can press OK. So here comes to the part about doing a baseline correction. Back to your spectrum here in the program IR solution, go to manipulation 1, scroll down baseline, and you see 3 sub-columns. So 0, 3-point, and multi-point. Here we're going to use multi-point baseline corrections, which is more manual based. So you watch it, and so when ready, on the right side column, you see there's this little icon, says add. Click on it once, and then you see that the cursor will change its design. Go to your spectrum, and starting from the left hand side, you can start clicking on one of the higher regions of the peaks that you have and start doing a baseline correction. So here basically you are somewhat connecting all the ridge lines together, one of the higher points among the hilly regions, and you set a baseline. If it's good, go to the icon, says calculation, CALC, press OK, good. So now your new spectrum with the baseline corrected one pops up at the bottom. And possibly you may want to zoom into some of the part of the spectrum that you want it to be highlighted. So you see the top area of this program, you can choose and select the regions which is going to be presented in the data sheet that you're going to print out. So you can do this adjustment. What you can do now is to print, you just have to key in the cursor, print screen, And after that, copy this image into Paint. There's a function in every single Windows program. So go to the desktop, your starting bar, go to Programs, Accessories, and Paint. After that, you just have to crop up the portion of the spectrum that you want to be shown on the paper you're submitting. And then you paste it onto a new window for the program Paint again, and after which you adjust the size of the paper to the A4, make sure it's landscape, do a preview first, and then you can start printing it. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Funman. See you.